What if you could know the exact moment a target website changes? The second a secret page is added or a critical piece of information is deleted? What if you could get an alert the instant a site is compromised or a new company partnership is revealed? This isn't science fiction. This is proactive OSINT. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to set up an automated intelligence system to monitor any website on the internet. Monitoring isn't just a passive activity. It gives us a real-time intelligence edge. From an OSINT and security perspective, we monitor websites for 4 key reasons. First, to detect uptime and blacklisting status. Is our target site down? Has it been flagged for malicious activity? Second, to catch fleeting changes. We can get alerts the moment a developer accidentally exposes a sensitive file or a new careers page goes live. Third, to discover new connections by monitoring for new backlinks. When another site links to our target, it tells us about a new relationship or partnership. And finally, to assess security risks by checking if a site is flagged for malware or phishing. Let's start with the most fundamental type, uptime and blacklist monitoring. This tells us if a website is online and if it's been flagged by major spam or security blacklists. A fantastic free tool for this dual purpose is HetrixTools. It allows you to monitor the uptime of your target websites and also checks them against dozens of blacklists, all for free. For an investigator, getting an alert that a target site has just been blacklisted is a major intelligence signal that something has gone wrong. Alright, here we are on the HetrixTools website. And honestly, setting up a monitor here couldn't be easier. Step 1. Click Sign Up for a free account. Fill in your details, name, email, password, and hit Submit. You'll get a confirmation email, so just pop into your inbox, click Verify, and you're in. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see 2 powerful free features, Uptime Monitoring and Blacklist Monitoring. Let's start with Uptime. Click Free Uptime Monitoring, then Manage Monitors. Here's where the magic happens. Just paste in the URL of the site you want to track, give it a name so you'll remember it, and pick up to 4 locations from where HetrixTools should monitor it. Click Add Monitor, and that's it. From now on, HetrixTools will check your site every single minute and alert you instantly if something goes wrong. This is the definition of set it and forget it. Now, for blacklist monitoring, it's just as easy. Go to Blacklist Monitors, click Add a Monitor, paste your site URL, give it a label, and add it. HetrixTools will automatically watch for any blacklist entries and alert you right away if your site's reputation is at risk. Simple, fast, and incredibly useful. HetrixTools is a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their website healthy and trouble-free. One of the most popular and reliable alternatives for uptime monitoring is UptimeRobot. As you can see on their website, UptimeRobot offers a generous number of free monitors along with plenty of integrations. The setup process is almost identical to HetrixTools. First, sign up by providing your email, full name, and password. Next, verify your email by clicking the link you receive in your inbox. Then sign in with your credentials. From there, add your target's URL and configure your alert settings. UptimeRobot will even send you a test email so you can see exactly how alerts will look. Their dashboard, right here, shows detailed statistics on uptime percentages and response times over days, weeks, and months. While it's often used by system administrators and defenders, an investigator can also leverage it to know the exact moment a target's critical infrastructure goes down. Another excellent and modern alternative is BetterStack, known for its clean, beautiful interface and powerful incident management features. Like the others, setting up an uptime monitor here is quick and easy. Where BetterStack really shines is in its detailed reporting and team collaboration tools. Even just using their free tier to track a few key targets can give you valuable uptime intelligence for an OSINT investigation. Getting started is simple. Enter your email address on the sign-up page, and you'll receive a sign-up link in your inbox. Click that link, and you'll begin the onboarding process. You'll be asked for your name, company size, and a few other details. When prompted, select that you're using it for uptime monitoring. Continue through the setup, then provide a phone number. This will receive a free test notification so you can see exactly how alerts will look. From there, choose the free plan. On your dashboard, click Create Monitor. Enter the website URL you want to track, and you're done. BetterStack will start monitoring immediately and send you an alert if the site goes down. Now we move to one of the most powerful OSINT techniques, website change monitoring. This is how we catch new information the moment it appears. Our primary tool here is Visualping. It allows you to select a specific area of a web page and will send you an email alert with a screenshot the moment that area changes. Let's see how this works. I'm on visualping.io, and I'll paste in the URL for certifiedhacker.com. Visualping loads the page, and now I can literally draw a box around the exact section of the page I want to monitor. I'll set it to check for any changes and have it run daily. Then, I enter my email. And that's it. From this point on, if even a single word changes in that section, I'll get an email with a before and after screenshot. Think about the possibilities. Tracking a careers page for a new job posting that hints at a secret project, or watching a press's page for a sudden announcement. After you start, you'll receive a confirmation email. Just copy the code from that email and paste it here on the site. Next, choose the free plan, set a password, and click Continue. Finally, enter your name. Click Start Monitoring, and your account is ready. The dashboard will now display your current monitoring jobs so you can keep an eye on changes in real time. The ecosystem for change detection is vast, and I want to show you a few other great options. RoboTalp is a modern platform that offers a generous free plan for monitoring. Follow. That page is a classic no-frills tool. Its design is old, but it is incredibly simple and reliable for getting a basic email alert when text on a page changes. And Distill.io is a very powerful tool that comes as a browser extension. It allows for highly specific monitoring, such as tracking a number in a price tag or an item in a list, right from your browser. Our next form of monitoring is tracking backlinks. A backlink is created when another website links to your target. This is a huge OSINT signal, as it reveals relationships, partnerships, press mentions, and influence. A simple free tool to get a quick overview is Backlinkwatch. Here on the site, you simply enter a domain, and it attempts to find and list the websites that are linking to it. This can be a great starting point for mapping a target's network of connections, though it's best for a quick, initial look rather than a deep, ongoing analysis. When you need to get serious about backlink analysis, the undisputed industry leader is Ahrefs. While their full suite is a premium paid product, their free backlink checker gives you a powerful glimpse into their data. Here, I'll enter cavemantech.com and run the check. It will show us the domain's authority rating and a list of the top backlinks pointing to it. For deep corporate intelligence or competitive analysis, understanding a target's backlink profile is non-negotiable, and Ahrefs provides the most comprehensive data available. Finally, we monitor for security risks. Has a target website been compromised? Is it hosting malware or involved in a phishing campaign? Our number one tool for this is VirusTotal, a free service owned by Google that analyzes a URL against over 90 different security vendor databases. Using it is simple. You navigate to the URL tab, paste in the website you want to check, and hit enter. Here, we've scanned cavemantech.com, and as you can see, it comes back with a score of 0 out of 97, meaning no security vendor has flagged it as malicious. This is your first stop for a quick security health check. For a much deeper technical dive, we use urlscan.io. When you submit a URL to urlscan.io, it doesn't just check it against a list. It actually visits the website in a sandboxed browser and records everything that happens. As you can see in this report, it shows you every IP address contacted, every domain requested, and every technology loaded. It's fantastic for understanding what a website is really doing in the background and for detecting malicious redirects or connections. Let's summarize your new monitoring toolkit into 4 key areas. For uptime and blacklist status, use HetrixTools or UptimeRobot. For tracking content changes, use Visualping or Distill.io. For discovering new connections, use Ahrefs to analyze backlinks. And for assessing security risks, use VirusTotal and urlscan.io. By setting up these monitors, you can turn a static investigation into a dynamic, real-time intelligence operation. Thank you for watching. In our next session, we'll continue to build on these concepts. I'll see you there.